Assalamualaikum. Me and my team member wanted to present about our case study, industrialized building system on Rumah Selangorku Type D at Chat Hills, Kajang, Selangor. My name is Sharifah Fairuz Emizan. I want to present about introduction. The concept of industrialized building system is building method in which components are created in a controlled environment on-site or off-site and then placed and assembled into construction project. It is also known by other names such as prefabricated construction, modern method of construction MMC, and even off-site building. For the framework of IBS have 5 phases. The first one is initial phase. Initial phase is coordination. Meeting are critical for integration and communication channel for IBS. Project must be created from the start. And the second one is planning phase. All party it's important to include time. Next, monitoring phase. The project manager should conduct a pre-unloading quality check of IBS component. And the last one is closing phase.
There are 5 classifications of IBS in Malaysia. First is precast concrete system. Column slab lightweight precast concrete and other was the example of precast concrete. Second, steel framing system. Steel is strong that lends itself to a high degree of flexibility in the long term of construction. Third, timber framing system. Timber building frame and timber roof truss is common component of timber framing system. Next is block work system. Help to simplify the time-consuming task of traditional bricklaying. And lastly, formwork system. The steel formwork is made in factory and then assembled in the job site. For the case study, we choose Rumah Selangorku Type D at Jet Hill, Selangor. Selangor State Government has created a unique housing program for the residents of Selangor. It was found with the goal of providing low-cost housing. Rumah Selangorku in Gamuda Land was the first Rumah Selangorku that built by IBS component. There are few types of design and area for Rumah Selangorku, and for this report, we focusing on Type D. Project information. Project location at Kajang Hulu Langat, Selangor. Name as Rumah Selangorku Jet Hill Type D. Property type is rumah mampu milik and apartment. The area is 1,000 square feet and was a freehold house.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Uzaimi bin Muhammad Shafri and I will explain about feature of IBS component on building. So they have 4 types, which is IBS prefabricated prefab, precast concrete system, steel framing system, and lastly is block work system. So the first is IBS prefabricated prefab. Prefabricated building component inclusive of beam, roof, and wall. One of the most common seen building component is the precast concrete. So this precast concrete is extremely resistant and very durable. And the second is precast concrete system. They are including wall, beam, roof. There are 3 dimension component, which is staircase and toilet. Precast concrete framing panel and box system is under category of prefabricated system. And the third is steel framing system. This IBS is commonly used for precast roof and is used extensively in the fast track construction of skyscraper. Apart from that, is extensively used for light steel truss consisting of cost-effective profile, cool form channel, and steel portal frame system as alternative. And the last is block work system. It includes of interlocking concrete masonry unit, which is CMU, and lightweight concrete blocks. The block system is mainly used for non-structural wall as an alternative to conventional brick and plaster. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Azwan bin Kayo Ahmad and I want to present about the suitability of IBS component used on building. First is faster completion of construction. IBS component can be given while the project on site are still under survey or a workplace. Thus, it help reduce the risk of project delay. Second is reduction of construction cost. Main cost reduction which is reduced on-site service, fewer number of unskilled worker and simplified construction method. Third is reduction of construction waste at site and reduction of construction material. Use of IBS is limited of greatly reduce on-site conventional timber from work. Connection detail of IBS component on building. First is equivalent moment resistance frame. Second is post station dry joint, and third is hybrid connection. Procedure of installation IBS component on building. First is assembly of precast column, stack column. Second is installation blockwork system. Next is assembly of precast wall panel, exterior and interior. Next is installation of precast beam, T section and L section. Next is installation of hollow core slab, column to column connection. Next is installation of precast staircase, and finally installation of prefabricated steel roof truss, roof beam connection.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Asrizal. So I will present about the calculation on IBS scoring for the building at the Rumah Selangorku type D. So for the element, we will look at part 1 is structure system. Is a precast column, beam, slab and prefabricated metal roof trusses, and all the total part 1 is a 50. And we will go to part 2 is about the wall system. Wall system, we have external internal precast concrete panel, and total part 2 is a 20. So and we will look the part 3 is order specific construction solution. We have a standard component based on MS1064. It's about a door, window and precast block wall system users. A repetition of structure layout is a repetition of floor to floor, horizontal repetition of structure floor layout, vertical operation of structure, and total all is a total part 3 is a 18. So total IBS score part 1, part 2, part 3 is a 88 point. From the 100 score, IBS is 100 point. So and last is a conclusion. As a conclusion, IBS in Malaysia may be a new from some area. As a Gamuda Berhad introduced IBS technology to the construction industry in Malaysia. We will look into this case study. It's about in Rumah Selangorku. They become a guide to a company for IBS technology. There are many benefits of IBS such as reduced construction time. It happens when precast may be cast in factory and foundation work can be done on the site at the same time. IBS take less time construct, the only work done on the site is installation of IBS competition. So that's all for me. Thank you very much for us. Assalamualaikum.